Nadia Suciati from Senior High School Number 1, Palembang, South Sumatra. Today, I will present my research with the title is Effect of Roof Color on Chips in Temperature Through Rainbow Roof Heating. Let's begin!
Indonesia is one of four most populous nations and one of the largest emitters of greenhouse gases in the world. Based on research results, it is stated that the increase in the temperature on Earth has occurred since the beginning of the 20th century, which was caused by an increase in greenhouse gas substance as a result of human activities. As we get closer to the hottest part of summer, everyone wants to know how they can keep their home cool without spending too much on those energy bills. Whether we realize it or not, it's turned out that color on the roof is able to affect the temperature in the room. This is because the absorption capacity of an object depends on the conductivity of the object and its reflectivity. Reflexivity is ability of object to reflect light. Objects with high reflexivity of reflective power will not heat up quickly. Meanwhile, objects with low reflectivity will quickly absorb heat. Dark objects have low reflectivity. In Indonesia, many people use metal roofs like zinc, aluminum, and each other, who don't pay attention to the effect of roof color on the air temperature in the house. Based on these problems, the researchers want to provide a solution in the form of a roof design that can reduce the heating effect of rainbow roof heating.
Okay, purpose. The purpose of this research are 1. To determine the method of selecting colors in the rainbow roof heating, and 2. To determine the effect of rainbow roof heating in counteraction of sun signal rays. Types of research. The method used in complement this paper was the method of literature study and experiment. The reference used in this study consisted of various sources, namely several supporting books in libraries, internet sites, and journals. Place and type of research. This research was conducted in September 2020 in Palembang, South Sumatra.
Research procedure 1. Cutting 4 mm plywood into 30 cm by 30 cm for the walls of the house, and 3 mm plywood into egg pitch. 2. Preparing egg pitch of zinc with a size of 40 cm by 50 cm. 3. Painting plywood using paint with color red or sunrise 985, orange or golden yellow 922, yellow or lemon 980, green or spring green 960, blue or diamond blue 732, purple or orchid violet 197, chocolate or candy brown 925, and neutral or zinc without paint. 4. Drying in the sun for 2 by 24 hours. 5. Installing a tin roof on a miniature house and dry the miniature house in the sun. And the last 6. Measuring the temperature each inside and outside the miniature house from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. with time interval of 1 hour.
Each color has a different wavelength. This is because each color in the light has a long and a short wavelength, which influenced by energy level. In addition, the color of light has a measurable effect in terms of energy absorption. Wavelength itself is defined as a distance between the repeating units of a wave pattern. One great way to update the appearance of a home is to change the roof or change its color. The color of the roof of the house actually accounts for almost a part of how the house looks from the outside. In general, Indonesia uses red, orange, blue, green, brown, and purple roof. However, most people realize that it's turning out that the color selection of the roof on the house has affected the temperature in the house. The effect of rainbow roof heating on the roof can be seen from the temperature change that occur when measurements are made or the miniature design of building whose roof is given several colors. The measurement process was carried out for 6 experiment days from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and the average data can be seen in the following table. From the result of table and average grades obtained, the roof that has a high temperature is neutral or zinc without pan coating, with a temperature of 38.41 Celsius, and the highest color for zinc coat with pan is purple or orchid violet, with a temperature 37.24 Celsius, while the color which has a lowest temperature is zinc coat, the red color pan or sunrise, with a temperature of 36 Celsius. The average temperature obtained is used to determine the heat of conduction and the heat transfer that occur on each zinc roof of building which has various color of propagation. By using the thermal conduction values, zinc was 0.482 watt per millikelvin. From the literature data, it is obtained that if the conduction of every color is calculated is equal to the table now. From the result of table conduction of heat obtained, the roof of which has a conduction height neutral or zinc without a coat of paint with a conduction of 7.45 joule, and the highest color for zinc coat paint color is brown or candy brown by conduction 7.27 joule. Meanwhile, the color lowest conduction heat is zinc coat with red sunrise and with a conduction of 6.94 joules. The reference temperature obtained is also used to determine the heat of radiation and the heat transfer that occurs on each zinc roof of a building with various color without intermediaries. By using the color emissive values in table 5, which came from a study entitled Calculated Color Emissivity Value Using a Cylindrical Miniature Space as a Learning Media for Physics from the sites. The radiation heat of each color in the calculation of the radiation equation with the data in following table.
So, from the results of the discussion, it can be concluded as follows. 1. Neutral color zinc has the highest average temperature change through rainbow roof heating compared to other color zinc, while red zinc or sunrise has the lowest average temperature change through rainbow roof heating compared to other color zinc. According to the data, the level of ability to change the average temperature due to rainbow roof heating from the highest to the lowest is neutral, brown, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. 2. Neutral color zinc has the highest heat conduction rate compared to other color zinc. Meanwhile, red zinc or sunrise has the lowest heat conduction rate compared to other color zinc. According to data, the heat conductivity level from the highest to lowest is neutral, brown, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. 3. The purple color zinc or orchid violet has the highest radiation absorption rate compared to other color zinc. Meanwhile, yellow zinc or lemon has the lowest absorption rate for heat radiation compared to other color zinc. According to the sequence, the level of absorption of radiation heat from the highest to lowest is neutral, purple, green, blue, red, orange, brown, and yellow. 4. Colors that are close to black will absorb a lot of heat, while colors that are closer to white will absorb less heat. 5. The effect on the ambient air is proportional to the heat absorption capacity of each zinc. And 6. From the change in average temperature through rainbow roof heating, which result in heat conduction, it is found that red has the lowest temperature and lowest heat conduction. Although is calculation of radiation. It turns out that yellow has the lowest radiation, which is not as much different as red color. It is causes that the researchers used color emissivity data from the research conducted by other previous researchers. This doesn't reduce that researchers' conclusion that red is a good color to reduce heat.
So I think that's all I can present. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully you will and goodbye.